Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Grenebo Gardening Tools 9-piece heavy-duty set. A fantastic option for anyone looking to elevate their gardening experience or find the perfect gift. Let's get started. The Grenebo Gardening Tools 9-piece set is more than just a collection of garden tools. It's a comprehensive kit designed to meet all your gardening needs. Made from high-strength stainless steel, these tools are not only durable but also rust-proof, ensuring they last through many seasons of use. One standout feature is the ergonomic handle design, which makes these tools comfortable to use for gardeners of all ages. The non-slip wooden handles are designed to fit various hand sizes, providing a secure grip that reduces strain during extended use. Inside the stylish and durable garden tool organizer handbag, you'll find everything you need: pruning shears, a weeder, transplanter, cultivator, and more. This comprehensive set covers all aspects of garden maintenance, from planting and weeding to pruning and cultivating. What sets this set apart is its heavy-duty storage bag. Crafted from a special cotton and polyester blend, it not only keeps your tools organized but adds a touch of elegance to your gardening routine. Each tool features a specialized hole in the handle for easy hanging storage, perfect for keeping your tools accessible and tidy. This set is more than just practical, it's a thoughtful gift for any gardening enthusiast, especially women. Its floral design and ergonomic features make it not only functional but also stylish. Whether it's a holiday gift or a thoughtful gesture, the Grenebo Gardening Tools set is sure to delight. In conclusion, the Grenebo Gardening Tools 9-piece set is the best gardening gift basket for women available on the market today. With its durable construction, ergonomic design, and stylish storage bag, it's a must-have for anyone who loves spending time in the garden. Whether you're treating yourself or someone special, this set is sure to make gardening easier and more enjoyable. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest products. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!